Welcome back. I hope you're all keeping warm. In very chilly days. We're trying for a little better audio and trying to cut down on the noise. So we're going for a shorter screen. So this is how we go. Get away from the buffeting, the noise, etc. that's associated with it. So we've cut the screen down and hopefully that will make sufficient difference to the... That's quite considerable difference. Yep. Hopefully that will take the wind buffeting off of my helmet. Today is bloody cold. The wind is got a bitter, icy feel to it. So I'm not taking her out today. But we've got the screen on, and it'll be interesting to see what difference it makes. Looking forward to getting out there, but at the moment it's far too bloody cold. So that's what it looks like now. And as the weather improves, we will take her for a spin. What I've done is I've put extra rubber between the frame and the screen to try and keep the vibration. But the size it is, I'm hoping that won't give much vibration at all. In fact, I'm hoping it'll be very much as though it was without the screen on there. Right, well I was going to say good morning all. As you can see, we're back on the bike and we're just poodling out of the village at the moment. Just put the heated grips on. Might as well make as much use of them as I can. Big pothole there, missed it. Okay. Right. It's a lovely day. The sun's been out since quite early, but it hasn't dried the roads. It's amazing. They are so wet. The wind and the sun just hasn't dried them out. We've got dry patches, but generally they're damned wet. Okay, we are doing 40 mile an hour in fourth gear with the visor just open. Oh, he's decided to overtake me. Right, visor down. Hopefully that's a little better. The road here is a little drier. $50 miles an hour, 4,000 RPM. I'll try and remember that. Okay, let's go up to 60 mile an hour. It's just under 5,000 RPM. Now the thing that we're looking at is the screen, which you can see here. We have a short screen on, which is actually the original screen I cut down. Lots of people do it, and it stops that buffeting. I didn't realise how much buffeting there was with the full-size screen. And it certainly makes a difference. I've got 3 air now around the helmet. Whether that will make any difference to the audio, we get to see. So as you can see, guys, we've got blue sky, we've got a little bit of white cloud, splotches of white in the sky. Temperature is around about between 8 and 9 degrees at the moment. And it's one of the few times that I think we're going to get out, because the weather has been so diabolical. Well, it looks like the screen alteration has made a difference. I'm quite pleased with it. And there's less buffeting around my head, so that's good. Also, I feel that the audio has improved as well. A lot more clearer than what it was. So another plus. So yeah, that's a good little test. All happy with that. So we will be closing down now pretty much, apart from one thing I was going to mention was that Stuart Fillingham has done a video, and I think it's worth a watch. It's basically on why he doesn't review Chinese bikes. It's something I've been saying for a long time, and he has pretty much sort of clarified the situation, I think. So it's well worth a good watch. The link is down in the description, so if you go down in the description there's a link there to his video. So wishing you all a good day, good week, good riding. Let's hope the weather starts to improve. We've had so much wet weather so far. It's taken a long time for anything to dry out. Water is sort of being held in the fields. Everything is so saturated. Anyway, good biking. Hope to see you all soon. As soon as that temperature warms up a bit more, the sun's out a little longer, we can all get out and enjoy what we do best. Okay, cheers for now. See you all next time. And if you can, give us a thumbs up. And if you haven't, also if you would subscribe. Subscribing doesn't cost you anything, it just keeps you up to date when new postings out. Okay, cheers for now. Catch you all next time. Bye. Just look at the bike. I spend more time washing and cleaning the bike. That is the problem this time of year. Gonna get a wash, get the salt and the muck off. Okay, that's it. Cheers.